Okay, let's talk about something. It's the avian influenza. I think is how you say it. I'm not sure. People are saying it's going around real bad and that it's a big threat. I don't know much about it. Should I be scared? Should I be taking extra precaution for my flock? Or do you think it's just a hoax? Is it a scare tactic? Are they putting this out there so us farmers and homesteaders are scared to go and buy our meat chickens and new layer hens and stuff? Let me know in the comments what you think about the avian influenza, the avian chicken flu. Let me know your thoughts on it. I'm gonna try my best to just make a straight video, one that I can just put together real fast and I don't have to cut and edit and do all the things. Jasmine, don't look me in the mouth. So bear with me. Yuck. I'm sick of mud. These are our extra roosters that we've accumulated since, I guess, the middle of last summer. We would buy chicks and they were supposed to be like pullets, and somebody would make a mistake and accidentally put a rooster in, so we got a couple roosters. And actually 2 of these roosters that are in this chicken tractor are birds that somebody had just thrown out on the side of the road. They had too many roosters and dumped them. And that's a real common thing. And to be honest with you, my opinion is that's wasting. That is so wasteful. They could have raised these birds up and fattened them up like what we're doing and called them and put them in the freezer. I'll take a gander at what we're dealing with right now. Them culverts are backed up. They got, oh, I see a shoe. I hope it's not my shoe. But anyway, there's tree limbs and sticks that's washed down and blocked our culverts up. Jasmine, don't you get over there and fall in. I'm gonna have to pull some of that stuff out here in a minute. Here's some stuff I already pulled out. That's what I pulled out the other day. Thankful for the rain. And as bad as I hate to say it, I'm thankful for the mud too. But this might even keep us from going through a drought this summer. All this water and rain. I got 2 duck eggs out here. Before I feed the goats, I wanted to give the pigs these eggs. There's our 2 hens that decided to come over here and stay in the goat pen. And there's a rooster. That's also a rescue rooster, but he ain't gonna go in the freezer. He's gonna stay over here with these hens. We have separated the herd of goats. So baby Streak right there, the little baby white goat, he is old enough to become a daddy. So we had to separate him from his mom. So him, Annie girl over here, the one with the big old horns, and these 2 pretty ladies are over here in one side of the goat pen. We also have the 2 calves over here with them. Streak and old Ralph down there, they are best buddies. So they stay over here together. And over on the other side of the goat pen, we put Jesco, he's the gray one, and Wendy, the white one, and Gracie, the black and white one right there. We put all them over here with the pigs. So the reason being that we separated them is so we didn't have any crossbreeding. Wendy, the white one, is baby Streak's mom. Now when the grass starts to growing, when spring has sprung, Jeremy and I have decided that we are going to take Streak and Jesco both and put them back here in this back pasture. It's a smaller lot. It runs across here, back down the side of the trailer, and up on the other side. So they'll have some grass to eat.
The reason that we want to separate them and keep them away from the nannies is so that when it comes breeding time, we can put them with the nannies long enough for them to get bred, and then we can write down on the calendar when they were bred. That way we know when to expect goat kids. Because right now, where we just let them run together, we have no idea when somebody gets bred, and we have not a clue in the world when to expect goat kids. Like Annie over there, she looks like she's about to pop, and I have no idea when she's going to kid.
Now this is the back side of that trailer, back here where we're planning on putting Streak and Jesco. This is some of the stuff I'm going to have to clean up. And what my idea was that I'm going to take all this stuff and set it over the fence right here, over in the little area, and get it prepared, get it ready. So when this water finally goes down, we can just carry it across the creek back here, and Jeremy can back the truck back up there and we'll load it up and do whatever needs to be done with it. And I just want to clarify that all this stuff that is back here is not mine and Jeremy's. The people that rented this rinky-dink trailer, they left all this stuff here, and they didn't come out and get it. They left a big mess here. It was pretty bad, and we done a lot of cleaning. It sure don't look like it, but we done a whole bunch of cleaning. Jessica's over there making silly faces. You know, the more and more I come up here and clean and pick stuff up, the more angry I get. I shouldn't, but I do. Reason being is because these people lived here, I know, for 4 years, maybe longer than that. They paid rent, but it was like $100. They didn't pay it to us, they paid it to my grandmother. And they actually got to where they quit paying rent, so she let them stay anyway. She was letting them stay for free. But they finally moved out. They finally left. They actually just moved down the road. But they left this mess, and I don't know if they knew that we would clean it up, or I don't know if they thought my grandmother would come down here and clean it up. I think that is very, very shitty. It's just, there's trash thrown everywhere, there's glass, screws. It was like they just threw trash down in the yard and mowed over it. that's what it was like. And there's still all kinds of stuff laying everywhere, just little tiny pieces. I don't understand why somebody would be that way. Why would you leave a property this way? And the worst part about it is the people that rented, they were our family. They're pretty close family, and they still left it like this. Alrighty, I got most of it picked up. The only thing I have left to get is this big old box thing, and it is plumb soaked full of water, and it's real heavy. So I'll have to wait till another day when that's dried out. I'm gonna leave these stumps back here, so Jessica and Streak will have something to play around on. And I got to also get this door right here. I'm afraid if we leave it back here, they'll bust the glass out of it. We love our subscribers. We love our little YouTube family. And it's growing slowly, really slowly, but that's okay. I'm thankful for it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time, if the Lord's willing and the creek don't rise.